So PumpFun just announced something that might change how you trade meme coins forever. Right now, Axiom is by far the biggest trading bot, and the issue that PumpFun has had is that they just haven't been a good trading terminal, but that all just changed. And if you're using Axiom or any other trading bot, you might want to switch. Here's why. So PumpFun just announced that they have acquired Padre. If you haven't watched some of my previous videos, you know I have talked a lot about Padre. It has been my go-to trading bot for quite a while, but this news took me by surprise. Now you might wonder, why does this matter to how I trade meme coins? Well, Alon, or Alon, however you say it, the founder of PumpFun, said it well in his tweet right here. Starting today, we will be dedicating significant resources and attention to making Padre the #1 trading terminal in the space by giving users the most advanced, performant, and rewarding product. You probably know how many resources PumpFun has available, so when that's what he says, that is probably what they're going to do. PumpFun is still where most tokens come from in the Solana space, and now that they have their own competitive trading terminal, if you don't think they'll be giving Padre users big rewards and benefits compared to other trading bots like Axiom, I just think you're greatly mistaken. They will do anything in their power to make Padre the #1 trading bot. So I do think if you are an active trader now, the #1 thing you should do is start using Padre. Now, I've been talking really positively about Padre for a while because I just already think it's the best trading platform out there, but now after this announcement, it should be a no-brainer. One thing to note is that if you sign up using a normal link, you only get 10% cashback, but if you sign up using a referral link, you instantly get 35% cashback on all your trades, which is higher than any other trading bot on the market. So make sure you sign up with a referral link. I will leave mine down below in the description. Let's dive a bit deeper into this announcement and what it means. So we're excited to announce that PumpFun has acquired Padre. Padre is an industry-leading trading terminal which provides a seamless, high-speed trading experience with next-level analytics for professional traders on Solana, BNB chain, Base, and Ethereum. Because Padre did just recently, a few days ago, also come out with Binance Smart Chain trading on their platform. So I would say right now it is the best trading bot on both Solana and Binance Smart Chain. They go on to talk a bit more. I will leave these tweets down below if you want to check them out for yourself. But they go on to say why Padre. Despite Padre being one of the newest entrants in the pro trading scene, they're already one of the most popular tools because of the best user experience, most rewarding cashback and competitive fees, best dedicated support for traders, strongest core technology. Then they go on to say what to expect for the future of Padre. Padre will function as usual, including trading of tokens on every launchpad and decentralized exchange on Solana, BNB chain, Ethereum, L1, and Base. But they say that what's going to change is some immense upgrades in user experience, especially for tokens launched on PumpFun. Basically hinting that if you are using Padre, you will gain a massive advantage when trading PumpFun tokens. Significant improvements in data speed and ultimately an edge. Even better trading incentives. They then say make the switch today. And then Alan's tweet basically just extends on this further, saying that partnering with Padre was a no-brainer. Starting today, we will be dedicating significant resources and attention to making Padre the #1 trading terminal in the space by giving users the most advanced, performant, and rewarding product. To all on-chain traders, now's probably a good time to switch. PumpFun has so much money and they're such a big team. Opinion, can't even imagine what they're going to make it into now. I can see Padre easily gaining that #1 spot as the biggest trading bot and overtaking Axiom in like the long run. So these are some massive news in the meme coin space. If you're not familiar with the Padre platform, I have previously made a full tutorial basically explaining everything, so I will leave the link to that down below. But if you are familiar with other trading bots like Axiom, you will probably get the hang of Padre really soon. It's very similar. You have the trenches right here. You have trending tokens, your portfolio, rewards, tracking for wallets and Twitter. You have tons of customization options and just the quickest speeds on the market. And all of this is probably going to improve a ton now that they have been acquired by PumpFun. So like PumpFun were saying themselves, if you're still using any other trading bot, I would probably recommend you to make the switch today. Again, make sure you sign up with a referral link. If you enjoy my content at all, would appreciate it if you used mine down below in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. You can join my Telegram down below as well. And to end things off, if you are looking for the best non-KYC exchange in the crypto space, do make sure to check out BTCC. They've been around for 14 years, up to $10,000 per day withdrawal limit without having to do KYC. Works in the US, Canada, anywhere in the world. And you can get a 10% bonus on your first deposit when you use the link down below. So if you deposit $1,000, you get an extra 100. If you deposit 10,000, you get an extra 1,000 as a bonus. So I will obviously leave the link to that down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to the channel. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.